Dapat lang talaga nating pasalamatan yung mga nanay natin kasi sila yung nagluwas sa atin dito sa mundo. Lahat ng sakripisyo na ginawa nila nung bata pa tayo. And yes, they should feel very special.
Thank you for this, Pares! Salamat, Ani! Salamat, Lula!
Welcome back sa ating channel. Happy Sunday and Happy Mother's Day to all the moms in the whole world. Kayo ng umaga guys, umalis si Mike very early. Hindi niya sinama si Paris and pagkabalik niya, may dala siyang ganito guys. So, may dala siyang ganito. Ayan. Oh. Kasi alam niyang ito yung gusto kong bulaklak guys. Yung parang plant lang siya. Hindi talaga siya flower talaga. Very, ano lang siya, parang mga dahon-dahon lang ba. And you know me, guys, very well. I love plants. And yeah, nung pag-uwi ni Mike, dinalhan niya ako ng hot chocolate and yung bulaklak, which is really sweet. And meron ding ano, yung banh mi, kasi alam niyang favorite ko yun. So, yun yung binili niya sa akin for lunch. And, you know, guys, it was really sweet kasi nung pagbigay ni Mike sa akin ng bulaklak, sabi niya na, I appreciate you very much. And, tapos si Paris sa background, guys, sabi niya, me too, me too. That made me so happy. Did you say me too, honey? Did you say me too? So guys, pasensya na nag-change yung lighting kasi natabunan na ng ano, ng skies yung araw. And suddenly siya, guys, parang dumilim. Anyways, ngayon pala, guys, wala kaming gagawin ni Mike. Nandito lang si Mike sa bahay. Tapos, nandito kami sa kwarto ni Paris. Kasi may bisita siya. Yung kaibigan niya, guys. Isa sa mga mates niya. Yes, in the water, honey. Isa sa mga mates niya nandito kasi nanonood sila ng UFC. Alam niyo yung UFC, guys? Yung fighting-fighting ba? Yung parang boxing-boxing din. So, yan, nandito yung kaibigan niya. Isa. So, nandun sila, nanonood sila ng UFC. And kami ni Paris, nandito lang. Minessage ko yung bestie ko, guys, kasi gusto ko sanang magbisita. But then, sabi niya, hindi pa siya pwede. Kasi nga, yung restrictions nga ng Victoria is still not lifted. So, it's the same pa rin. Hindi pa rin pwedeng makabisita ang ganyan. But, you know, guys, as I mentioned, right? Yung kaibigan ni Mike na isa, nandito, nanonood sila ng UFC. And, yung kapitbahay namin, guys, dyan, yung matandang babae dyan. Guys, every day, meron talaga siyang bisita. And, it's like, what? Maybe 2 people a day? Yung nagbibisita sa kanya. And then, isang bahay dyan, binibenta niya yung bahay nila. And, they're doing like inspection every day. So, you know, in and out yung mga tao. What's going on, my love? You wanna go out? Ayan, asa naman yung sapatos, nak? Say, good morning, everyone.
No, 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 no.
Uy, say, happy Mother's Day to mommy. Ay, manya nga bata. Go. So, yung pinakita ko sa inyo kahapon, guys, na heater na binili sa akin ni Mike para sa Mother's Day. Ayan. So, we used it last night and it worked really well. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. So, we'll just turn it on. And parang ganyan siya, guys, oh. May illusion siya na, ano, na may parang kalayo bitaw, guys. Sa ilalim, oh. May baga-baga. But it's electric, guys. Char-char lang yan siya. But seriously, last night, it was really good kasi very warm kami dito sa room namin. And sabi ni Mike, may gusto daw talaga siyang bilhin para sa akin. But then, the shops are closed. Sabi niya, you gotta wait for maybe a week or 2. But hindi ko alam kung ano yung bibilhin niya sa akin, guys. But again, hindi ko naman hinihingi yung mga ganyan, guys. Kasi hindi talaga ako nanghihingi kay Mike. Kasi alam na alam niya na if ever meron akong gustong bilhin, pinag-iipunan ko talaga and I work hard for it. So, sometimes iniisip niya, you know, instead of pag-iipunan ko pa, minsan pag may mga okasyon na mga ganito, binibili niya kasi alam niya yung mga gusto ko talaga. So guys, ito yung banh mi na binili ni Mike para sa akin guys, all for lunch. So, it's a Vietnamese pork roll. Ayan. And inside is just pork and carrots. You don't want this anymore? Okay. And ano bang meron? Celery and chili. But yeah. Yummy. Duyan ng duyan, duyan ng duyan. Uy! 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 So, lalabas lang muna kami ni Paris, guys, kasi very maingay sila doon sa bahay. Silang dalawa lang nanonood ng UFC and it sounds like there's 10 of them. Since lumabas naman si Haring Araw, we'll take Paris for a walk. Come here, honey. Uy, asa? Paingon.
A snake.
Hmm?
A snake.
Snake? It's not a snake.
Down my head.
It's not a snake. Come on. Let's go. Let's go play basketball. Kasi sa harap ng bahay namin, andyan na yung park. Yung oval, yan. Pero yung park dyan na laruan ng mga kids, bawal pa siyang gamitin, guys. Kasi tingnan nyo yung ang tawag dyan? Yung duyan-duyan ba, swing. Gibulibot nila, guys, hindi pwede gamitin. Because of the COVID. So hanggang dito lang kami, guys. Come on. Pass the ball. Wow. Shoot. 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 Yan, dinala ko dito si Paris sa oval, guys, kasi gusto niyang pumunta dun sa park and hindi pwedeng pumunta dun. Kaya sabi ko maghahanap kami ng white flower. Come here, this way, anak. Dali, nako, ba sinaadil dapit, nako? Let mama know kung nakita ni mo, ha, ang white flower. How about yellow na lang, nak? Wala may white, nak, oy. How about the yellow flower? Can you see any? Can you see any? Where? Where? Wow! Yes, you found the yellow flower, honey. Yellow. Can you pick it? No? Nakuha niya, guys, oh.
And the bubbles.
Yay! What's that, Nak? What's the color of that flower, Baba?
Yellow.
It's yellow.
And the
This more there, Nako?
bubble.
Bubble?
The bubble, yellow bubble.
Yellow bubble. It's not a bubble. Look, it's a flower, man. You have to get a bubble.
Yeah, bubble.
Come on, baby, cry. Where's the white one? Whoa! Good job. Ito yung hinahanap namin. Guys, oh. Yan. Pick it, not careful. Because you have to blow it. Blow?
Up.
Hmm?
Up.
What do you say?
Please.
What do you say?
Please.
Please. Please, Mama.
Please, Mama.
This way. Blow, blow. Again? Harder. Dili malupad na. Mama blow be.
Baby bubbles.
Baby blow bubbles. This way. Be? Sige. Sige. Blow. Blow. Diglupad. Nanlag pa tayo yung laway, nak. Nawa na yan nalanggi. Bunal-bunal. Nakatugnaw ba na? Uy. Nakulit na tayo nakatatugnaw man kaya. Nak. Let's go home ta.
No.
Yes.
Baby bubble.
Bubble. Come na kasi it's gonna rain. Bah! Boo! Find mommy. Andun makauli mi guys. Find mommy. Kalaway sa bata. Oh, did you find mommy? Good job.
Find mommy.
Good job.
No.
No, karon. Got you, mommy.
Find the mommy.
Find the mommy.
He's just trying to get back up.
He was trying to get back up.
Oh, back hole. It did look like he was out. That's for sure.
It looked like he was trying
Narinig yan sila, guys. So guys, natapos na yung UFC ni Mike and ngayon, it's currently 4:30 na ng hapon and may lalakarin tayo. Kasi nagtingin-tingin na naman ako sa Facebook Marketplace and meron akong nakita for Paris kasi nga it's getting really cold now, the weather, and yung mga damit kasi ni Paris guys, mostly mga pang summer. So she needs something na warm para sa winter. So now manakita ako na babae na nagsisell online ng mga damit na alam niyo yung tracksuit pants and yung long sleeves. So hindi siya masyadong malayo dito sa amin guys. Mga 15 minutes drive lang siya, and we thought like we would love to go out the house. Oh, so yun, magdadrive na lang kami papunta doon and tingnan nyo guys, umuulan na naman. Start na naman yung ulan. Then guys, nakalabas na rin. Uy, walang sapatos si Paris na. Daddy. 8:30 na ng gabi and ngayon lang ako ulit nakapag-vlog. Kasi kanina pagka-uwi namin galing sa pinuntahan namin, nakatulog si Paris sa sasakyan and hinintay ko lang siyang gumising. Andito lang kami sa bed kasi nabihisan ko na si Paris and she's now ready to go to sleep. And tingnan nyo guys, oh. Tingnan nyo yung heater na binili sa akin ni Mike for Mother's Day. Ayan, gamit na gamit kasi it's very cold here sa kwarto and it just makes a lot of difference. Kumusta yung Mother's Day natin? Sana na-spoiled lahat ng mga moms all over the world. And yung ginawa ko pala sa mama ko guys, kasi kahapon, sabi ng sister Mimi ko, yung mama ko daw is nagmahay-mahay. Kasi daw may nag-greet daw sa kanya ng Happy Mother's Day. And kami daw, hindi daw nakapag-greet sa kanya. Tapos sabi ko sa sister ko, sa Sunday pa naman, sa 10th of May pa naman, hindi naman talaga Saturday. Advance lang talaga yung iba. Pero yung ginawa namin guys, pinabilhan ko si mama ko ng maliit lang na cake. Nilagyan lang namin ng ng Happy Mother's Day. And yun, sinabi ko sa sister ko na mag-video siya kasi i-video ko kasi yung video call namin guys. It's very blurry yung quality ng video. Kaya sabi ko mag-video ka na lang dyan tapos i-insert ko na lang.
Ala, thank you for this, Pares. Salamat, Ani. Salamat, Lula. Ay, where are you crying? Oh? Thank you. Ojo. Thank you, Ani, oh. Unsa man ni imong gipalit? Unsa ni? What is this? Hi! Pares! Say hi! Say hi to my vlog! Thank you kayo nak. Sige na, magbabay na may dasan po mga bisita. Thank you kanin ako. Thank you. Saka ni, ako nabihan karon. Wala akong ika-istorya. Salamat. To ako ikapuli. Nagdrama na si mama. Wala mong to ikapuli dani. Mga pagmahal na lang pagpangga. Sige na. Thank you, Ani. Thank you kayo. Bye. Bye. Salamat. Happy Mother's Day. Salamat. Happy Mother's Day, te. Salamat, Nay. Thank you. Yeah.
I think natuwa naman yung mama ko and I'm very happy na ginawa namin yun kasi we all love surprises, right? Like, who doesn't love surprise? Tell me. It's been a few Mother's Day na rin na hindi ko nakasama yung mama ko. And, yeah, we try very hard to make it very special for her. Kasi lalo na ngayon na mami na rin ako, guys. It's my 2 years of being a mom to my little palungkoy. At alam na alam ko na talaga ang feeling ng maging isang ina. Dapat lang talaga nating pasalamatan yung mga nanay natin kasi sila yung nagluwas sa atin dito sa mundo. Lahat ng sakripisyo na ginawa nila nung bata pa tayo. And yes, they should feel very special. And kasi kung tumanda na ako guys and lumaki na si Paris, yun yung gusto kong maramdaman. Yun bang special ako para sa anak ko. So before ko i-close yung vlog natin guys, gusto ko lang mag-shout out sa mga bagong nating subscribers and sa mga bagong nag-comment sa ating videos. And let's start with Lohan Pasadas, Shirley Morillon, Richard Antiga, Liza May Pairat, Eileen Caliv, Cindy Tan, Casey Laurete, Princess Silanga.
Mommy,
Yes, honey.
look.
Look! A fox! Odessa Donghil, Barbie's Craft, MJ Tin Tiny. Yan ba yan? Ganda? Ray with Me, Annalisa C, Amelita Zayas, RR26 Adventures, Rita May Ranido, Jane Solitario, April Rose Romero, Marilyn Drudge, J. Hart, Jackie Becerra, Lolis Family, Furtado Family, Amy and Anthony, I am Fanny Young, Simply Aya, and Christine Joy Tabak. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope na-enjoy nyo.
Mommy,
Yes, honey?
a pig.
A pig! That's right. That's right. What's the color of the pig?
A pig.
Pink. Exactly, honey. Well
A
done.
pig.
Please give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be
Daddy?
careful. Bye!
Daddy?
Say bye, honey!
Baby,
Bye-bye, nanay sa camera. Bye! Bye-bye sa ba? Bye-bye once lang, once. Bye! Bye!